Today I'm going to speak about healthcare laundry, also called hospital laundry. In my professional life, many have come and approached me asking me for, setting up a healthcare laundry or hospital laundry. Some already running successful laundries, they want to buy some barrier washers, put them in their laundry and start doing work with hospitals. So whenever I come across such questions, I always try to educate them or suggest them. Healthcare laundry is not all about having a space or buying some machines. It's about a perfect design, which can prevent cross-contamination and which makes sure that the people working inside the laundry are safe, people who are associated with that laundry are safe, infected laundry coming in from hospitals are sent back, uninfected or disinfected, clean, neat. So the first thing and the major point is to have a perfect design. That can come from a perfect company or an experienced company, experienced people who have done this before. So be a part of WOTEK. I've been able to explain a little bit about healthcare laundry because we have done a couple of wonderful projects across the GCC. So today I have made a chart and I will take you people through that chart, which can give you a little bit an idea about healthcare laundry. A presentation on hospital laundry design. Cross-contamination is the major challenge and it could be effectively prevented by using barrier washer. Process inside laundry is briefed. Working with normal washers, cross-contamination cannot be effectively prevented. With a supporting diagram, we are trying to show this. In this diagram, we have two barrier washers with a partition, and dirty side is separated from clean side to prevent cross-contamination. Green portion is the partition, and the machine has two doors, one opening to the dirty side and the other door to the clean side. Safety point is that both doors cannot open at the same time. To maintain a pressure difference is a major concern. Soiled side should be always with negative air pressure and clean side with positive. So air is not passed from contaminated area to clean area. Domus barrier washer is an up-to-date brilliant machine from Spain. Milner and another strong and very durable barrier washer from USA. A real picture of installed Milner tunnel washer. Milner tunnel washer can produce up to 363 kg of clean laundry in an hour. Milner with different layout variations to meet customers' requirement. This is a drawing of our hospital laundry project with two Milner tunnel washer. Next major concern is linen transportation, and we have carts, trolleys, etc. And I would like to explain a little bit more about water soluble bags. Water soluble bags are, I would say, a brilliant innovation, and it's like a plastic bag. We fill the bag with infected laundry and seal it. It's safe to transport them. You take it to the washing machine, load it, and when the machine starts with water, hot or cold, the bag dissolves and the laundry inside it is exposed to water and detergent for cleaning. A disinfection of contaminated laundry with thermal power and chemicals. Chemicals means chemicals and or detergents. Actually, they have a very vital role in disinfecting laundry or cleaning soiled laundry. Uh, and there are various kinds of detergents or and chemicals available in the industry, like washing detergents, oxygen bleach, softeners, emulsifiers, boosters. Recently, a final rinse disinfectant liquid, which is also very effective on infected linen. Thermal disinfection, water is heated to disinfect laundry, and required temperature can vary upon standards. Some linen we cannot wash with high temperature. So in such case, special detergents and chemicals are used to clean the laundry. Explained with a diagram or a picture of a tunnel washer. Thank you so much for watching my video. And honestly, I might have missed some important points in this video. So whomever wants to know more about healthcare laundry, please don't hesitate to contact me. And regarding the configuration of machines, the number of machines, the capacities depends upon many factors, various factors like budget of the customer, or just like budget, then output required by the customer, or space available, okay, or the kind of articles to be washed, and etc, 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 many factors. So once again, thank you so much. Everyone keep safe, and see you. Thank you.